Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Nikhat. Very warm welcome in my homeopathic clinic. Today we will talk about dandruff in hairs and Arnica shampoo and its advantages for hair. So let's start. Dandruff is the most humiliating issue which a large portion of us face in daily life, consisting itching, tingling, constantly unmistakable chips which prevent you from wearing dark dresses. We all have confronted this sooner or later. Today our blog post describe the absolute best anti-dandruff shampoo which is Arnica from many companies of homeopathic medicines. Many might have experienced the rundown to pick one reasonable among many shampoos for your necessities. Be it winter or summer, you have to keep one enemy of dandruff cleanser at home to ward it off. Get your hair fit as a fiddle with Arnica shampoo that will help for stall hair tumble from breakage without overloading you. This is improved homeopathic treatment for dandruff with tried and true fixing like Arnica, Jaburendi and Salvia which apply a tonic effect on the scalp. It is the best anti-dandruff shampoo in all over the world in homeopathic. Apply to wet hair tenderly, back rub and work into a foam. Wash completely. A portion of its highlights and how it functions. Gives you more grounded and smoother hair with less hair fall because of breakages. It focuses on your most harmed zones to fortify and help reestablish your hair delicate enough for everyday use. It strengthens the quality in your hair and forestalls hair fall. Another very common problem faced today after dandruff is thinning of hair and balding. Balding is more typical than you might suspected and it can transpire. It is an incredibly disappointing occurrence. Male and female pattern baldness can occur because of numerous reasons. For example, hereditary qualities, more items and arrangements which guarantee to slow the advancements while developing new hairs. So finding the correct cleanser shampoo is more difficult than one might expect. There are numerous choices in the market however now and then a homeopathic hair cleanser as well as development shampoo is all your requirement for such a condition. So Arnica shampoo is best outcomes. Use it alongside Arnica hair development oil. It assisted with expanding the nearby dissemination in the scalp territory. It is hostile to dandruff scalp cleansing shampoo. It is a reasonable product for all hair types of both men and women. Arnica is a blossoming herb local to cool, rough areas like Siberia and Eastern Europe. It's occasionally called the mountainy daisy in light of the fact that the yellow-orange sprouts take after basic daisies. For a considerable length of time, Arnica has been utilized as a homeopathic treatment for skin, scalp, and hair conditions. The refined concentrate of arnica is lethal to ingest. Yet, when arnica is weakened or applied topically, it might help with the scope of well being conditions. The vast majority of what we think about now, arnica oil mends and enables your hair to look sparkly, is narrative. Continuity pursuing to discover what we think about utilizing arnica oil for hair. Arnica has mitigating and antibacterial properties. Some exploration has affirmed that arnica can bring down agony brought about by aggravations and decline the uh, wounding on your skin. The strands of hairs that you can see on your head are for the most part assortment of dead cells. You can expand the life of your hair by fortifying the proteins in your hair strands, just as improving the soundness of the hair follicle itself. So, Arnica shampoo provides the protein follicles for your hairs. Topical Arnica shampoo applications may clear sebum oil and different rash on your scalp that can square hair follicles. It might likewise lessen aggravations that makes tickling and hazel and drives male pattern baldness. Dandruff is brought about by scalp aggravations, dry skin, or a contagious disease. Applying Arnica shampoo may improve your scalp surface and mitigate manifestations of tingling and irritations as indicated by episodic proof. Split cloyers, the individuals who depend on Arnica shampoo for hair accept the Arnica has the ability to fortify the hair strand from root to tip. By covering the hair strand with Arnica shampoo, you might have the option to inject your hair strands with solid proteins that will diminish the presence of split clears. If your hairs become gray in early age, especially, you can utilize the Arnica shampoo. Is all right for the vast majority. There are some conceivable reactions. Individuals who have a sensitivity and hypersensitive response from utilizing Arnica. On the off chance that you notice any of those side effects subsequent to applying Arnica to hair or scalp, stop use and wash it off right away when ingested. Arnica can likewise build your pulse and blow up your circulatory strain. You ought to never ingest Arnica shampoo. Best anti-dandruff oil Arnica shampoo can be applied topically as a treatment for hair and scalp conditions. Arnica can be utilized as a fixing in oils, conditioners, and leaves in medicines. There are some other ingredients used with Arnica shampoo as grapeseed oil, sage, or rosemary oil, shea butters, and calendula marhams, which is very useful for inflammation on the surface of your head, which cause the dandruff. Arnica hair shampoo available in all homeopathic stores very easily. There are many different types of Arnica shampoo from different homeopathic medicines companies made it with different ingredients. So use this medicine and get advantage. Keep away from dandruff, thin follicles, and graying of hairs. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get my new additions. Allah Hafiz.